National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mason County, central Cass County, southeastern Schuyler County until 7:45 a.m. At 4:44 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beardstown, Bluff Springs, Chandlerville, Bath, Browning, Frederick and Snyk-Hardy.
If any of the AIS tech enthusiasts out there recognize those tones, you should know that those were the tones played by a Sage HU22. And I'm actually trying to get one of those myself. So you may be seeing a station of mine in the future. I cannot guarantee when it'll happen, but I will certainly let you know if and when it does happen. So yeah, there's just a random flash flood warning.